I love potato salad. Don't we all love potato salad? But I don't like the mayonnaise. It's kind of, oh. So I wanted to create a recipe, a potato salad that was healthy ingredients and no mayonnaise. Let's take a look at what I came up with. Right here on my potato salad, we have 2 potatoes. I skinned them, cubed them, and steamed them, and then we're gonna refrigerate them overnight. 4 hard-boiled eggs, you can also boil those the night before. You're gonna do a 1/2 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're gonna take all these ingredients, we're gonna blend the egg mixture together in a food processor. We're gonna stir that mixture over the chilled potatoes, and finally we're gonna add a 1/3 cup of parsley chopped, a 1/3 cup of celery chopped. We're gonna sprinkle paprika over the whole thing, and it is so good. I can't wait to get started. Now that you know that it's all healthy ingredients, it's low in fat and high in protein, we are gonna make this together. But remember, if you really want some more great healthy recipes, either you can subscribe to my YouTube channel here and get them on a regular basis, or right here in part 2 of Intestinal Health Book, you're also gonna find tons of recipes that I've created that are super healthy. So the first thing we start with here is our potatoes. Let's take them and we're gonna skin them. Just take a simple skinner, and you're just gonna skin all the skin off of them. It's always nicer to have a potato salad without the skin, but if you wanna leave the skin, go ahead. Now that we've got it skinned and we rinsed it, we're now ready to slice it into cubes. So we'll take our potato, we're just gonna cut it once, we're gonna cut it twice, now that it's all cubed, we're ready to put it in the dish and get going making our dressing that goes over it. This is ready to be steamed. Once we're done steaming it, we're gonna put it in the fridge for the night. You're gonna have 2 of these, and let me show you what it looks like after it's been steamed and sat in the fridge all night. Here's our potatoes, 2 potatoes, chopped, steamed, and refrigerated overnight, ready for the dressing. So now that we have our potatoes ready, are you ready to put the sauce together? I am. Let's take a look. First, we have 4 hard-boiled eggs, and we're gonna slip those into our food processor. Next, we have a 1/2 cup of olive oil. We're going to pour that over the eggs. Finally, I'm going to take a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and I'm going to put that in to blend it with the eggs and the olive oil. We're going to take a lid and we're going to snap it on top, secure it, and we're going to go on high until it's completely blended smooth. Wow, look at this. This is smooth and creamy egg mixture right here. This is going to taste like heaven over the top of your potatoes. So we got all our ingredients made. Let's go ahead and put them together and have an amazing potato salad. Here we go. So right here we've got our potatoes. We're gonna just slip them into a bigger bowl so we can mix them easily. We're going to add our egg mixture. Next, we're going to put in our 1/3 cup of chopped celery and parsley. And we're gonna mix. Here we go. Now we have mixed all of it together. We put it into a pretty serving bowl and we're gonna sprinkle it here with paprika. This is an amazing, beautiful, healthy potato salad. Let's try it out. Now I've taken a bed of greens and I'm gonna just put my potato salad right next to my greens. This is the healthiest picnic food you can have. Just top your salad with a little bit of dressing and you have a beautiful meal. Let's take a taste. So no reason to skimp on this salad. I dished up a big portion of this potato salad, high in protein, low in fat, even good for vegetarians that eat eggs. This is great. I just put it with a salad of greens. You can put on any dressing you want on that, and this is a meal in itself. The parsley is gonna make it crunchy. The celery is gonna add color and flavor. Let's taste this. Definitely, it's gonna be a favorite at your picnic and even for your family. You're gonna love this whole mixture. Summer salad, summer picnic, it's so good.